sayang. My handsome husband who just woke up after afternoon nap. Hello guys, we are here now in Japanese restaurant. We're at the parking lot at the moment, and I think we're gonna have a takeaway Japanese food. Hello guys, so now we're about to go. We're gonna eat at home because it's very crowded in Japanese restaurant. There's a lot of people coming here for dinner. So yeah, this is our food guys. I just want to show you. Teriyaki chicken, 2. One for me, one for my husband. Japanese chicken soup, veggies, and then another soup. So, and we're going home and have our dinner. at home and we're going to have dinner with this Japanese food from the restaurant that we bought in Rapid Creek. So yeah, it's like we're gonna have some review, the taste about this Japanese food.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
My teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken, guys.
This one we have it here with fried chicken, but the difference is that this one is teriyaki chicken. They put some marinade inside here and outside, and the taste is sweet. This one, let's this one tastes like fried chicken. I think this is the original taste of the fried chicken without marinade anything.
Japanese fried chicken, guys. It's good. It's crunchy, but the inside, when you bite it and chew it, it's very soft. But I like the teriyaki because it has more rich of flavor. This one, guys, it's pumpkin.
In the salad itself, they have cabbage, some slices of carrots, lettuce and cabbage, I think.
Yeah, but want veggie? Eggplant. And they also have okra, guys. This one is okra. Oh no, it's not okra, it's string beans. Fried string beans with flour to make it crunchy, but it tastes so good, very fresh.
The other one here is about the soup. Let me have a taste.
That is it.
I don't know what the taste is, but it's similar like soy sauce soup, or
Really?
I have no idea.
More on seafood. It's for this one, guys. For noodles, fresh noodles.
They marinated the chicken here with this one, as you can see,
Soy sauce.
a little bit of drops. You will see this. The taste is sweet. compared to the one in front of me. The soup itself, yeah, more likely sweet. This one, guys.
It's good to combine it with the rice. This is okra, babe.
I don't like okra.
Do you have okra? It's my first time to eat okra with flour. But it tastes good, guys. Like a fritter okra.
Where's the taste of okra?
Try.
No.
So soft inside. So soft inside, and then when you bite it, it's like sticky. Pumpkin is really good. So sweet. And the combination of this veggie, babe, eggplant, okra, string beans, and pumpkin, it's like pinakbet in my country, but different. This one is fried. Pinakbet it has soup and then shrimp.
Last bite, guys.
Well done.
Excuse me. I think this noodle has to be mixed with the soup.
Yeah.
So the soup can't stand by itself unless you combine it together with this noodle. This noodle is really sticky if you don't put any soup in it.
What's the taste?
Mm-hmm.
Fresh.
Chewy noodle.
Different noodle.
Mm.
Maybe traditional Japanese noodle, but it's not like the ordinary noodle we have.
I'm done. Finish.
It's really a lot of serve, guys. You will really get full for one serving. And I'm not even sure if I can finish this.
Finish?
I'm finished, guys. I still have chicken, but I already finished the rice. I'm so full. It's so beautiful, Junior. That's it for today, guys, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment below, and make some suggestion if you like, or any comment, and I would love to read them. And yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye bye.